everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing my introduction to the I Love the 90s project pan, so if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you are new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of panning content and try to throw in some indie makeup content in there as well, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. And let's get into the introduction. Alright you guys, so this is the second Fantastic Ladies collab that I'm going to be doing on my channel this year. I'm super excited about it. It's called I Love the 90s. It's all about 90s themed prompts, and I was born in 96, so I don't quite remember the 90s, but I feel like a lot of 90s trends carried over into the early 2000s, and I much prefer 90s trends over the early 2000 trends that are like really popular right now. And technically I am a 90s baby. I just don't remember it because I was ages 0 to 4. But yeah, like I said, this is a Fantastic Ladies collab. This was created by Laura. I will link her channel and Instagram down below, as well as everything you need to know about the Fantastic Ladies group and just everything you need to know about this project in particular. So everything will be down below, but this is a year-long project from January 1st to December 31st. With monthly updates, we are randomly generating 8 to 10 prompts and choosing products based on those prompts. And it is rolling style, so when you finish or meet a goal, you will randomly generate a new prompt. So let's get into the items I'm rolling in. This month I randomly generated the prompts off camera just because I was coordinating quite a few project pans that I was going to be starting in January, and I just wanted to kind of clearly think about what I'm rolling into each project. So I've been thinking about these for a while, and I have made my decision, and let's just get into it. So the first prompt I got was Macarena, and that is a Latinx owned brand. So I chose my cake liners from Gavisi Beauty. They used to be known as Glam Vice, so that's what it says on the packaging. But I have 5 of them, and I would like to use each of them twice, so a total of 10 times. This one is called Disco Fever, which is just a black. We've got Platforms, which is a satin purple. Got Hairspray, which is like a baby blue. Fringes, which is kind of like a grassy green. And Lemon Lush, which is a yellow. So I've got quite a variety of colors. I find the formula to be really nice. I use these a lot in the spring and early summer, but kind of haven't used them in a while. So I'm excited to get back into them. 2 uses on each. Shouldn't be an issue, and I'm excited to work on them. Next I got Jurassic Park, an oldest product, and so I just looked at everything in my inventory and just picked the one oldest item that I felt like would work with everything else I was panning, and I decided to roll in my Murad eye cream that I had in my project pan last year. This is my oldest eye cream, and you can see my marks from my project last year, but we're at that blue line right now, so I'm just going to continue working on this going up, and my goal will be to finish this. The majority of these products will be usage-based goals, but certain ones that are like there's not a lot left in it, or if it's a deluxe size sample, I might have a finish goal on it, but I just need to remember to use this. I would rather just have like my lotion be my eye cream, and I don't find this to be anything super spectacular. I got it in Ipsy. I did not pay the full price for this. And I just want this product to be gone out of my collection. And then I also rolled in the Lion King, which is a black owned brand, and I chose this Lip Bar face palette. This is the Go Off Minute Finish face palette. It's got a setting powder, a highlight, a contour, and a blush. I'm wearing both the blush and the highlight today. The highlight's really nice, and the blush is just, it's okay. I put it over a cream blush. And I am setting a usage goal of 15 uses just to get some use on this. I find that this is nice. It's just not something I reach for. I bought it because it was on Good Morning America deals for like 10 bucks, and I thought that was a really good deal, but it's just not something I use. I feel like if I went out more, I could throw this in my purse just to like make touch-ups, but that's not something I do. So I just want to use this 15 times and just get to know it more and then roll it out. Then I got the prompt Titanic. Flip a coin. If it's heads, high-end product. If it's tails, a drugstore product. So I flipped a coin and I got heads, so I decided to roll in this Olaplex deluxe size sample. This is their number 6 Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment. It's supposed to add moisture, strengthen, and reduce frizz for up to 72 hours. So I don't know, there's probably an air bubble in here, but I marked it all the way up there, and I don't know how long it'll take me, maybe a few months. I will just make this my current leave-in conditioner and see how long it takes me to use it. And if, yeah, my goal is going to be to finish it because it's not like a super big product. I just want to get it out. I've never tried anything Olaplex, and so I'm excited to try it. I got that as like a code redemption on Sephora, so I'm excited to try it out. Then I got the Prompt Easy Bake Oven, a product that is easy for you to pan, and so I chose lip gloss and also the Tower 28 lip gloss, which is really easy to pan. I've got some use on this, but not a ton. This is in the shade Cashew, and my goal for this will be 30 uses, but if at 30 uses I find that I'm like halfway or more than halfway, then I'm just gonna amend the goal to finish it. We'll see how I feel. We'll see how I feel once I reach the 30 uses, if I want to keep this in, how I'm feeling with this project, how I'm feeling with my other projects, if I would like to keep this in and just finish it. I honestly think I could probably get this out in like 2 to 3 months because it's just easy for me to pan. These lip glosses in particular, I panned like 4 minis over the span of like 2.5 months last year, so I think that could be pretty easy. Then I got the Prompt Pokemon, a product that reminds you of your favorite Pokemon, and my favorite Pokemon is Bulbasaur. If you don't know, he is one of the intro Pokemons from like the very beginning, and he is a grass type, and he's got like a bulb on the back of him that becomes like a plant. And so I chose my Glam Shop W Zalone palette because obviously there's like leaves and Monstera leaves on here, but also all of the names are for the most part, I believe, plant themed. And I chose the shade Monstera right here. God, these shimmers are so beautiful. But I just really like this green color, and so my goal will be to hit pan in it. I don't think I've hit pan in a Glam Shop shimmer yet. Obviously, I've hit pan in a matte, but I'm excited to work on it just because these shimmers are so beautiful, and I love wearing green shadow, so excited to work on that. Then I got the Prompt What's Up, and that is a product that is part of your morning routine. So I chose my Huda Beauty Silk Balm. This one is the Honey Kiss version, which I prefer the original, but the honey one is okay. I actually really enjoyed. I think my complaint about the honey one is that it's a bit stickier than the original one, but while I was sick, this like just like my like lips like sucked it up, and it was not sticky at all. I don't want to finish this. I just put a usage of 30 uses, and then I will roll it out, which might finish it, might not, I don't know. But I'm not in a rush to finish this. This is just what I like to put on every morning before I start my makeup, just to add some moisture into my lips. And it's a good one, you guys. This is a very good lip balm, especially the original one, so I highly recommend it. And finally, I got the Prompt Butterfly Clips, and that is something with cute packaging. And so I decided to roll in an eyeshadow palette, and that is the Kaleidos Club Nebula palette in collaboration with Angelica Nikas. If you're not new to my channel, you already know this, but I don't love this palette. Now, I love the packaging. It's so cute. I love the color story. It's beautiful. I just don't like the Kaleidos formula. Everyone loves this. I just feel like it's really patchy, and I just get frustrated every time I use it. And like, I'm not like the best at eyeshadow, but I don't think I'm bad either. So I don't know if it's just me, but no matter what I do with my eye primer, I've tried multiple primers, I've tried setting my eye primer, I've tried not setting my eye primer, I've tried using the lightest shades first, then the darkest shades first, and just nothing works for me. It's always just a frustrating experience, but I would like that to change. So I'm actually going to be doing this no pan left behind style, where I just have to use each of the shadows once. So I will be keeping track of that, and hopefully my opinion changes on this palette and it becomes a palette I really, really love. And yeah, we'll see. Hopefully my opinion on this palette changes and it becomes something I really love, because otherwise it is gorgeous. The packaging is beautiful. This palette is beautiful. I love it. I love the color story. It's so pretty, but we'll see if my perspective changes on this palette. Alright you guys, so that is all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you're doing this project down below and I will check out your intro if I haven't already. And with that all being said, once again, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!